I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need admin or owner rights to remove a repo, so confirm that now. Open GitHub Desktop and choose the repository from the top left repository selector. This targets the right project. Once done, make sure local work is saved. Commit or stash changes or push branches to GitHub. You're doing this so you don't lose important history. Now that the repository is selected and backed up, move to the repository menu to start removal. From the top menu, choose Repository, then Remove to begin. You'll see options: remove only from desktop versus also deleting the local folder on disk. Pick carefully based on your backup. Once you select an option, read the dialog summary because it explains whether files will be permanently deleted. Confirm the action to remove the repository from GitHub Desktop. This step unclutters your app and, if chosen, deletes local files, so double-check before confirming. After confirming removal, check that the repository no longer appears in GitHub Desktop and that the local folder is gone if you selected deletion. If leftover files remain, manually delete the folder using File Explorer or the terminal. This can be necessary if permissions block automatic removal. If something went wrong and you lost work, restore from your backup or clone the remote repository again. Make sure to verify permissions and available disk space to prevent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.